in today's tutorial, I'm going to explain to you guys how to use the Spotlight action feature on your macOS device. So all you'd have to do is press the Command and Space key in order to open up Spotlight, and then either type in the name of the action you'd like to perform, like translating text, or perhaps starting a FaceTime call, for example, or you can tap the Command 3 shortcut key to go directly to the Actions mode and browse suggestions. Once you've highlighted the action, you can press the return key to execute the action and then follow any prompts, such as entering text or a contact or whatever action you were attempting to perform. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.